Some European countries have already reported on the first signs of the second coronavirus wave. Amid such news, pressure on the single currency is becoming stronger. Every day the situation is getting worse and worse. Even Angela Merkel had to warn of possibility of the reintroduction of tough lockdown measures. However, she noted that it's an undesirable solution as the European economy has not begun a confident recovery yet. Despite these facts, the US dollar cannot recoup its losses. The greenback is under pressure from the United States epidemiological situation that is almost the same as in the European Union. Moreover, the currency is also influenced by the political circumstances in the country, caused by the upcoming presidential elections. In other words, the Senate and the Congress are mostly focused on the elections, paying little attention to the economic issues. That's why there are uncertainties about the future of the US dollar and the euro. Thus, amid a lack of significant macroeconomic events, investors will hardly take any decision. As a result, today the currency market is likely to be quite stable. The previous week was full of abnormal swings. For example, on Monday, the pound-dollar pair showed a slowdown followed by a 4-day rally of V-shaped patterns. The pair managed to break the upper limit of the range located at 1.3185. However, later the price returned to the range. According to the chart, after Friday's jump, the pound-dollar pair is hovering between the levels of 1.3058 and 1.3115. This may lead to new sharp rises. It's quite possible that the accumulation process within the mentioned levels will be a short-lived phenomenon. Amid a high degree of speculation, the main strategy is based on a break of the limit that may lead to a jump. Thus, buy positions could be opened above 1.3125 with the targeted level at 1.3200 and 3240. Sell deals could be initiated below 1.3055 with the target at 1.2985 and 3000. The euro-dollar pair is also still trading sideways within the levels of 1.1700, 1810 and 1910. At the beginning of the previous week, the pair made an attempt to break the upper limit of the range. That led to nothing. Notably, the pair has been hovering within the range for almost 1 month. During this time, market participants failed to change the medium-term upward trend, whereas the euro became even more overbought. On the chart, we can see that the price is fluctuating near the medium level of the range located at 1.1810. This movement is similar to the one recorded on August 20. In case of a pullback, the pair may reach the levels of 1.1840 and 1.1850. After that, it may slow down and return to the levels of 1.1800, 1810. To resume the downtrend, the pair should fix below 1.1780 to hit the low of 1.1754 locked on Friday, and then reach the lower limit of the range located at 1.1700. That's all for now. We continue to learn developments on financial markets. Subscribe to our channel and keep abreast on latest events with us. See you in a couple of hours in our channel with a new video.